Here's a myth a lot of us grew up with. You're either born smart or you're not. That's the fixed mindset. And it's holding people back every single day. The truth? Your brain changes with effort. Skills are learnable. That's the growth mindset. And once you switch, your results switch with it. Let me show you the difference fast. Fixed mindset. Avoid challenges. Protect the ego. Growth mindset. Bring on the challenge. This is training. Fixed mindset gives up when it gets hard. Growth mindset keeps trying even after an L. Fixed mindset. Effort is pointless. Growth mindset. Effort is the path. Fixed mindset feels threatened by someone else's win. Growth mindset gets inspired and learns from it. You've heard this line before. I'm just not good at math. Growth mindset flips it. I'm not good at math yet. That one tiny word, yet, keeps the door open. So how do you build a growth mindset today? Tip 1. Embrace challenges. Stop dodging hard things. Pick one task you've been avoiding. Send the email. Open the textbook. Start the workout. The goal isn't perfect, it's progress. Tip 2. Turn failures into lessons. When something flops, ask, what did I learn? How will I change my approach next time? Write it down. If you can name the lesson, you can use it. Tip 3. Surround yourself with growth-minded people. If your circle mocks effort, you'll chill at your current level. If your circle celebrates effort, you'll level up. Choose people who clap for your progress, not just your wins. Tip 4. Celebrate effort, not just results. Did you show up? Did you practice? Did you try a new strategy? Reward that. Momentum loves recognition. Tip 5. Adopt yet. I can't do this. Yet. Say it out loud. It rewires how you see your abilities. From fixed to upgradable. Real-life proof. Elon Musk didn't know how to build rockets when he started SpaceX. He studied. He hired experts. He tested and failed spectacularly. He kept iterating. He treated failure as data, not a verdict. That's growth mindset in action. Quick challenge for you. Identify one skill you think you're not good at. Add yet. Plan the smallest next rep. 5 minutes of practice. 1 tutorial. 1 attempt. Then do it today. Key takeaway. Your abilities aren't set in stone. They're more like muscles. Use them and they grow. Effort is not a sign of weakness. It's the path to strength. Put in reps, learn from misses, and you'll be shocked how far you can go. If this sparked something, drop a comment with the skill you're working on, and I'll check them out. Like the video, share it with someone who needs a mindset upgrade, and hit subscribe for more. Now go get that next rep.